Nitugonza kusiima abantu inywena abaizire mu kampu ya Maiseno yatandikire kya balaze biro 20 okwakana kandi ne wakiro kino ebiro 24 kya katano okwakana abaizire mwajumbira abantu kuruga mbichweka bya bunyoro ebikusinga abaizire bajumbira obuhereza buno hambere tubeyin tusemeza amaiso hambere tubeyin tujanjaba then okebera amaiso abakwetaga garubindi nabo bazifunire nokwekaguza abasaho kuliyo kugenda mu maiso evidently abantu bugeze kwesanga bayine ebizibu bingi ebikwatagana na amaiso abandi batamanyire maybe kikarugira haki abandi maybe bakaterwa ebiti maybe abandi bakazarwa batakurora abandi bamazire emyaka 10 batakurora baitu gonza kusima ba partners baitu kuruga Ruharo Mission Hospital na Christian Blind Mission abatoygaisireho hamuranga guno kurora ingo twakora abantu ba bunyoro hambiri ali district za Kagadi Kibale Kakumiro Kienjojo nezindi zona kurora ingo bafuna obuhereza buno kandi nitugumya enkoragane n'ubweragena mu maiso bana atoje kuba nibongera kwija numbers ezizire mu kampu enu tukozira abantu abakusoba mu 15 abakusi ambitu tusemeriza abantu abakuhingura mu 10 kandi obuhereza buno bugenda mu maiso naito enkairwalo ya St Ambrose buno obuhereza wa clinic enebeireho baitugengere hamani twayongeramu ebyoma twagenda aba partners baitu so na kampu enu bwerahwa abantu baitu je kwani batunga obuhereza buno obwa maiso abatenge bugarukiro so beyongere kweyuna obuhereza buno kandi nabatakahikirweho utagira runto ni kizibu kya maiso baitu ntugamba ijoke wekebeza omanye amaiso gawo gali gatotalinda gakafa nibo garuke orundo ije mu irwaro so evidently aro cases ezbeire ezikusinga zimanagingirweho hairwaro baitu aroho orundo kusanga abantu bamba kakererwa kwija kufuna obuhereza maybe kukeberwa amaiso so kyamanyisa ingo orundi bakwetaga obukogu nebyo bikusingaho bibeireho hati baitu almost abo babere abantu nka 30 mu 15 so namba iri hansi baitu nikitworking kikusoboka gukora conditions ezikusinga kasinga abantu bankiro obujanja bivuno
shangire munonga cyanga cya Kagadi abantu abinji bagera kwija kuguza obwire bwagenze hato shanga ino burwire konka akabanza mu kutandikira hakuraguza kweragurira akabanza kuza kushaba hata kiza kwizo mu irwaro ashange ndwara ye yamisho yashikira ha revendijo mwita kubasa kuyamba kandi tukubasa kuyamba tubajanjabire kandi bagakayo batebekire mbwenu sima abantu ba St Ambrose kureba ngo bakaretaho umushaho wa misho hata hirware hariho umushaho wa misho ari kuragurira misho mbwenu tukabe tubashaba ngo buri muntu wenda owahise myaka 40 kugaruka higuru asheme kuba nakebeza misho geye at least emirunderero mu mwaka n'ubu wakubota kushasha n'ubu wakubotine kizo cyona cya misho kugira ngo eze ndware ziri kwita misho otakushasha zitakureta bubonero bazibone kare bakuragurire ezikutambirwa bazitambire kandi ziba kuba batakubasa kutambira bakwe obuhabuzi okora base kutura nazo so nutweta abantu mwena kugira ngo mwetemo ekintu cyo kuraguza ahabwo kuba abantu binja butubenturagurira we no shanga ine pressure kitamisho geye kare kandi bambe tutakine cyo kumukora abo kuba hari ndwara ezituku ezor kurwara ya isirerisho nubu wakuzankahi mbwenu ruhanga rwari wo kubasa interveninga kugira ngo ubase kureba konkana bwe ekitari cya burijo nkendwara ya pressure gate kugamba ntugeta glaucoma mu rujungu then ababire abine ndwara ya shukari na pressure abobo buri myezi mukaga shimere kuba naje kureba umushaho wa misho kugira ngo eze ndwara nizija zigaruka zikwata na misho ziretamo burwire kandi oburwire bwahereze kutaherera isho buri kureta ndwara ya pressure na shukari nabwe icyo kuba bwasisire kikugarukaho mbwenu konka kutukimanya kare tutaho buryo bwo kugira ngo kitakashisha munonga.
My name is Dr. Asaf Biamsha. I am part of the team of the doctors from Ruharo Mission Hospital that has collaborated with the St. Ambrose Hospital Kagadi for an exciting eye camp where we saw over 1,000 patients with different eye conditions, and we managed to operate about 100 of them
we want to thank staff and the entire team that organized. I want to thank the community of Kagadi for participating in this site restoring activity. Thank you. Thank you very much. It is very, very important for people, for all people, whether young or old, to routinely go to hospitals and check how we are seeing, because we know that when we are not seeing very well, a lot of our activities are affected. We see women who are not able to sort beans, so they cook beans with stones. We see women who are not able to sort rice. We see children that are affected with poor vision, and they cannot go to school and study and be responsible citizens. We see people who are not seeing, they are not able to perform tasks, they are not able to drive, they are not able to ride motorcycles. So seeing is very, very, very important, and I encourage people to always go to hospitals and check their status of vision, because a lot of our work, a lot of our lifestyle depends on us being able to see.